So, you have a product and you want to make a social video to promote it. We have a powerful tool for you. If your product is already listed on Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or AliExpress, simply copy the URL of the product page here and press enter or click generate. A smart tool will gather the product information and promotion material automatically from your website. Let me demonstrate with a sample URL. After some processing, you'll be asked a few questions based on your product to fine-tune your marketing messages. Now adjust the purpose if you like, and change the time to your desired length. Who should be the audience? It looks kind of like a gaming headset, so let's choose for gamers. What should be the key features? Clearly, wireless and noise cancelling are good for gamers. And preferred style: informative, detailed, narrative-driven, dynamic, fast pace. Informative. Visit website doesn't apply here, so let's type in try it now to sell your product. Here you can delete images if you don't like, or upload more to be included in the video, and then click on generate to generate the script. So looking at the script, the first one has like the price in there. I don't like it. It's kind of too salesy, so let's not use that. The second one seems okay. Yeah, the wires is good. The third one also has a price. I don't like it. So let's generate more. Oh yeah, tired of tangling wires and stuff. That's good. That's a customer pain point. Let's choose this one. Here comes the fun part. Choose an avatar. Amelia looks cool, or you can change the gender and use Theodore, a podcast host, maybe tech savvy. Scarlett looks cool too. Let's pick Scarlett. And here's some voices.
Transform your ideas and content into high-quality videos effortlessly with
Transform your ideas and content into high-quality videos
Katie
effortlessly with
British,
Newcast AI.
But Scarlett doesn't look
Transform your
British.
ideas and content into high-quality videos effortlessly
Jessica has
with
a bit of
Newcast
that
AI.
Valley Girl accent. Let's pick Jessica. And here we have 3 options based on how big you want your avatar to be on the video. Let's pick the third one. The rendering may take some time, but once it's done, it will appear under My Generations. And here is your video.
Tired of tangled wires tripping you up in the middle of a game? Meet the Getheos wireless gaming headset, your ultimate solution for uninterrupted gaming. Experience 7.1 surround sound and seamless wireless connectivity that keeps you in the zone. The noise-canceling mic ensures crystal clear communication with your team. No more background noises. With plush ear cups and a lightweight design, this headset is as comfortable as it is powerful. Perfect for long gaming sessions. Elevate your gaming experience and stay ahead of the competition. Try it now and feel the difference.
Pretty cool, right? And you can click the download button to download the video to use it however you like. However, if you don't have a product link, you can still click on the description button to manually populate the product name and descriptions. For example, you might be selling the world's biggest red boots, so just type that in and click generate. And then you can fine-tune the marketing messages again, but this time you will need to upload some photos or promotional material of your product, since there is no product webpage to turn to. I hope you find our AI tool intuitive and are now ready to create your very own marketing videos with Newcast.